Hi, so today we are going to be showing you how to install Decision Tools. So first, if you navigate to Google, you can go to our MSB Tech Center website by just typing in MSBTC. Go to the software tab at the top and then downloads, and then scroll down until you see Palisade Decision Tools, and then you can click on that and then press download. Download anyway. Okay, now click on that download. Now you can press more info and then run anyway. So now you'll see this pop up on your computer after you've pressed run anyway, and it asks if you'll allow this app to make changes to your device, and you can press yes, and then you want to press yes. And now command prompt may or may not show up, but if it doesn't, it's fine. Right now it's just showing up for us because we have previously downloaded Decision Tools. And then you can wait for that to load. Press next. Accept the terms of agreement, next. And then you can click next, next again, and then make sure that create desktop shortcuts is checked off, and then you can press install. And then once that finishes loading, you can press finish. And now you can see that all of the Decision Suite apps are downloaded onto the desktop. And for today's purposes, we'll just use Precision Tree as an example. So if you double click Precision Tree, then Excel will pop up and Precision Tree will load. And it should show up at the header right here. You can press close, and now all of the Decision Tree tools are loaded onto Excel, and that is how you install Decision Tools.